And in turn, I get comments like these. So, that being said, I do not mind the comments one bit. In fact, I love them. I'll bet you $20 that if you comment on this video, I will reply. I love the comments. I love the engagement. I love to hear different ideas. I love responding back. I really, really enjoy the small community we've built. There's some regular followers that I have that comment, they ask questions, they give ideas, and I absolutely love it. Even the ones that are critical and rude, I still like it. Engagement is engagement.